Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to create first MVC .NET web application, and then we do the publish the shortcode into a folder, and the last step we do hosting it in the Internet Information Services. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, I will close this one and open my Visual Studio. And the current version I'm using is Visual Studio 2019. Okay, and here I right click on the icon here and select Run as Administrator. Okay, I'm using the Visual Studio 2019 and run this underneath of the admin role because after I do creation for the project, I need to publish it to a folder, so I have to run it underneath of the admin in order to publish the shortcode into a folder. Okay, so now here, this is the dashboard of the Visual Studio 2019, and on the right hand we have 4 options here. So here we are going to create a new project, so I will select option number 4, create a new project. I click on this one here, and then this is the screen. You have to select the template you want to be using for creating new project, and here I will type in the web here. So after that it will automatically do the filter for me. Okay, and you can also filter the templates by selecting the languages here. I'm using the C#, so I will select the option C#. Okay, and here we have a ASP.NET web application .NET framework. I will be selecting this one, and I click on the next button to go to the next step. Okay, so here on this step you have to do some configurations for a new project. Okay, firstly we need to provide the project name. I will enter it a first MVC web app. Okay, cool. So here I will select the location to save the project. I will click on draw button here and go to the new folder, and by default it will save the shortcode into the repo, and I will select another folder, select this folder. Okay, and the solution name, it will be using the same project name here. I will keep it by default. Okay, and keep this one by default unchecked. For the .NET framework you can choose another version here. Okay, I will keep it by default. The latest version for now is 4.8. okay, after that I click on create button here to go to the next step. Okay, so here on this step you have to select the template for creating the website application. Yeah, so here we have some option. We have 5 options here: empty, web form, MVC, web API, and single page application. And here I'm using the MVC option. Okay, when I select MVC option, it will automatically select the MVC option on the right hand here. Add folder and core reference for the MVC. Okay, if you have some authentication, you can do it here. So for configuration, by clicking on the change button here. Otherwise keep it by default. The advanced option here, you can select configure for HTTPS, Docker support, also created project for unit testing here, blah blah. Okay, I also keep it by default. Click on create button here to do some creation for the project. Okay, it needs to take some seconds to create the project in the first time here. And this is the solution of the first MVC web application project has been created. Okay, I will close this one, and here you take a look into the folders in the content G here. We have some folder, property, references. Okay, the app data, app stats, content, control model, and view. Okay, cool. So now here I will try to run this underneath of the Internet Information Services Express in the Visual Studio. It will view project first, and after that it run it by using the browser. Yeah. So this is the default web page template created for the MVC project. We have some page home, about, and contact page. Okay. This is very basic template created for MVC model. Okay. Close this one. And so now I will try to edit some content in the view. I open the view, the home page. For the index page, I open the CSS.html file. Okay. I will try to update the content here. Hello. Yes. Okay. I'll run this again. When we run the website underneath of the Visual Studio IIS Express, so it will automatically open a new instance of the web browser to display the content. Okay. Here, you can see the new text has been added into the top section of the homepage. It have hello from GNVS, blah 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 here. Okay, cool. So now here we have just done the creation first step for the MVC project, and now we are going to the next step. I will do the configuration to publish this shortcode into a folder on the PC. Okay. So here I will open the folder and I will copy the name here. I will create a new folder. Add the new name is publish the code. Okay, this folder. I will right click on the project here and select the publish option. Okay. On this dialog, we have to pick up a publish target here. So here it support a lot of the feature. We are able to publish the content to app service on Azure or Azure Virtual Machine or over the IIS, FTP, okay, and the folder. Yeah. So here I will select the option the publish the code to the folder. I will paste it here. Okay. You can do some advanced option here by clicking on the advanced hyperlink here. Okay. It will open up a new pop-up. You can see the configuration for advanced setting. The configuration is released by default. We can select option in debug as well. Okay. File option. You can do the remove option, additional file as destination, compile during publishing, exclude file from the app data folder. Okay. So if your project is content or link to the database, so in this step it will have the configuration for the database. However, in this project we don't have any connection to the database, so we didn't see the database information here. Okay. After that, click on Save Now button. Okay. Click on Create Profile button here. Okay. So now here, I click on Publish button here to publish all of the build shortcode from this project into the folder. Publish. Yeah. So after that, you see the information view one success and publish one success. That means it needs to view the project first, and then when we done, we do the publish all of the build code to the target folder. Okay, open the folder here. Okay, and you can see here all of the shortcode will be copied to this folder. We have bin folder, we contain some the DLL for our project. Content, we contain some CSS file. The from script view, okay. And all of the model and the controller will be incorporated into the DLL file. First MVC web application.dll. DLL, okay, cool. So now here we have just finished the step number 2. We finished publishing the content into a folder, and the last step we do hosting it inside IIS. Okay, so here before we do the hosting it in the IIS, you need to check if you already install the Internet Information Services on this PC or not. In case you still not install the IIS service on this PC, so you have to install it first. Okay, you check it by open browser and type in the browser in localhost. Okay, enter it. Yeah, because I already installed the Internet Information Services on my PC previously, so when I type in localhost, I can see this default page of the Internet Information Services. Yeah, if you didn't install it before, so you cannot see this page. You will see an error page. It says the site cannot be reached. Okay, so now here I will guide you how to set up or enable the Internet Information Services on the Windows PC. Okay, so here you click on Start button and type in Control Panel. Okay, Control Panel. Here you click on the program. Okay, so underneath of the program and feature, you click on the turn window feature on or off. Okay, and here after that pop-up for window feature will be open. Okay, you increase the size of this pop-up. Yeah, so here you take a look into the Internet Information Services. Yeah, you click on plus button here to expand the folder. Okay, and open the web management tool. Yeah, you select all of the options here. Next step is you expand the World Wide Web services. Yeah, open the application development feature, and here I will select all of the feature inside application development feature. Okay, I will select all of the feature inside another folder underneath of the website World Wide Web services. Okay, yeah, so here I will select I will check it the Internet Information Services hot able web core. Okay, and I will scroll up. We have the .NET Framework 3.5. It will also include .NET 2.0 and 3.0. I will also install all of the service underneath of this folder. Okay, for the .NET Framework 8.8, this is the latest version for now. I will select some option here. You can also select all of the feature here. Okay, and after that click on the OK button through the installation. Okay. It will take some minutes to finish the installation to enable the Internet Information Services on this PC. Okay, so here it finished. After you finish this installation, you need to restart your PC. However, in this video, I will not restart it. Yeah, you need to restart it for the Internet Information Services. Apply it the new updates on your PC. Okay, I close this and back to this one and refresh. Okay, it worked. Hopefully, after you install all of the services for the Internet Information Services, it will be running good on your PC. Okay, I will minimize this one and open my computer. Okay, so here before I open the hot file in the window of folder, I will open the Internet Information Services on my PC first. Okay, I open this one and I type in Internet Information Services. Okay, or I have another way. We open the window run and you type in IIS MRZ. Okay, INet MZR, sorry. Click on OK button here. After that, it will open up the Internet Information Services Manager for me. Okay, so here I will expand this one, expand the site. Okay, so now here I will right click on the site, add website. Okay, on this add website pop-up, I have to provide the site name. Okay, I open the folder here. I will copy first MVC application dot local. Copy this and paste it into the hot name. I will be keeping it with the same name. Okay, for the physical path, I will copy the path here, the public the shortcode. Okay, this is the folder we will use the Visual Studio 2019 to publish the shortcode of this first MVC web application. Okay, I copy the path and paste it here. Okay, so here application pool, it will automatically create a new app pool for me. Okay, you can select some existing app pool here, but you shouldn't do it. You should create another new one for this site name. Okay, and for the binding, by default, it will select the HTTP. I will keep it by default. IP address, it will assign it to an unassigned IP address here. Keep it by default. And if you want to assign it to a specific IP address, you can select it in the drop down here. Okay, the port by default, it will assign the port AST for me. If you want to use another port on your PC, you can change it here, edit, okay, 89 or give it by default EST. Okay, after that, click on OK button here to start adding a new website. Okay, here. So after that, a new website will be created underneath of the site here. Okay, you click on the application pool. Yes. So here, the new application pool has been created. Cool. Back to this one. And for now, you take a look into the right hand. If you click on the borrow website, this one, it will be displaying the error message. Here, this site cannot be reached. Okay. So now here, in order to access the website via the site name here, you have to do some configuration in the hot file. Okay, so how to do it? Yes, okay, follow me, don't worry, I will guide you how to do it step by step. Okay, I open my computer, go to the C drive and the window folder. I scroll down. I will open the system32 folder. Okay, and I scroll down again. I have a driver folder. Open it up. Okay, in the drive folder, I have a etc folder. Okay, I will open this folder. Okay, in this folder, I have a hot file. Okay, so here I right click on this hot file and I will open this file by using a text editor installed on my PC. Okay, here I'm using the Notepad++, so I will open it by using the Notepad++ here for editing. Okay, so here you can see we have some IP address here. The IP address is 127.0.0.1. It's the same. It is a localhost IP address. Okay. So when you type in localhost in browser or type in this IP address, it would be the same. Okay. Copy this one and paste it here. And then I will back to the Internet Information Services Manager. I open Edit Binding, and then I copy the host name. I save it. Okay, done. So now here I will back to my website and I refresh it again. Hopefully it will be display the content of the MVC website here. Yeah, so you can see this is the default page of the MVC template. Okay, very good. It will also display the hello from GNVS content edited here. Okay, cool and very good. I will back to the Visual Studio and I close this one and I will edit some content here again. Getting status with GN. Oh, okay, cool. I will run this by using the IIS Express. Okay, so here you can see the new content getting started with Chiến Vũ have been added to this. And now I back to the website hosting analyst of the Internet Information Services. I refresh this one. Here, the content still okay. Because we didn't, we still not published the new content to the published folder. So when you open the website hosting inside the IIS server, you cannot get the new content here. Okay. So here I back to Visual Studio. This is running if I pause. Okay. So I cannot access into the website anymore, or when I do stop, the site will be closed. Okay, it is not good for me or for everyone, because when we do the hosting inside the Internet Information Services server, so you can access it anywhere or anytime. Okay. So in order to access it in the public internet, you have to have a host name and on a domain. Okay, through the hosting it on the internet. Okay, so here if I stop this one, the site will be closed. Okay, so here I will open back the Visual Studio and publish the new content. Publish. Okay, success. I will open the videos back to the website. Yeah, so you can see here the new content has been added to the new website. Getting started with Chiến Vũ. Okay, cool. So now here, if I close the Visual Studio and refresh this again, yeah, the site still alive here with me. Okay, cool. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the creation for first MVC.NET website application on your PC. And after that, you also know how to do the publish the content into a folder. And then the last step, you do the hosting is in the Internet Information Services. Okay, I have another video to guide you how to do how to install or enable the Internet Information Services on your PC. I will put it into the description of this video if you want to take a look into it. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye. See you later in another video. Happy coding!